Creating a sales order in SAP S/4HANA for services, a look at the Fiori experience. Hello, SAP community. Creating a sales order is a fundamental process in SAP sales and distribution. With SAP S/4HANA and SAP Fiori user experience, this core task has evolved, moving from classic transactions like the A01 to modern Fiori apps streamline the process for roles like the internal sales representative. Let's break down the flow. There we go. So, first things, log on to the SAP Fiori launchpad as an internal sales representative. The SAP Fiori launchpad display. So the next step, access the app, open Manage Sales Order, Manage Sales Order. You will see that you have two options, the version 1 and the version 2. I show you today the Manage Sales Order version 1. So Manage Sales Order. The Manage Sales Order screen display. So you are able to display all your portfolio of your sales order. So create sales order. On Manage Sales Order screen, choose Create and then select Create Sales Order VA01. Or you are able to that is if you are in your mind still on your SAP QA vision, you use that. That is that exactly the same thing that the A01 in the SAP QA. But if you want to live a new experience, you select Create Sales Order like this. So you choose this way, Create Sales Order. So on the next screen, enter data. So on the Create Sales document screen, make the following entries. Order type, OR, your sales organization, your distribution channel, your division. And then choose Continue. So I select OR and then I select Continue. So we are in sales of services. So for the moment, the common path between the same things to create a standard sales order, stock or non-stock. So next step, enter detail on the Create Sales Order screen overview screen. Make the following entries. It's always the common part. So you see the difference with the application VA01. So it's a little bit different, but still the same things to fill in. So sold to party, shipped to party, customer reference date, material number, and order quantity. So my sold to party 121, if I remember, 121003. Okay, each time I click on enter. Okay, see, automatically you have some information fill in automatically. Ship to party, the address, the order reason. So I keep like this, or you're in Incoterm, for example. So I continue. So it's not finished. Sold, ship, customer reference. For example, demo. Which demo is for demo QAQ. I continue that I enter in the item the material number and the order quantity. So I go to the items, and then I enter the material number or the description of my material and the quantity. So SM for service material, like this, and then the quantity, for example, and each time I click on enter, automatically the item category will appear. Non-stock item, I define the number of requested quantity, 10 hours. Okay. So if everything is okay, you can check that the incompleteness information to be sure that your sales order is complete. I click on. So the system has me net value missing. That means I do not define condition record, but it's normal for services because it's a generic services. So each time we define a price. So for that, I go to the price and I enter the price. For example, it's for consulting hours, 1 hour. Okay. But I can change also condition amount. But I can define it's perhaps high expensive, 10 hours. Well, I can leave it like this. I can expand. I can add some old column like this. So if you want to add, for example, that another condition type is very simple. You just have to click on create. For example, I would like to indicate to the system it's at a manual price. For that, I click on PMP0, I click on create. And then I define, for example, that these things for not 1 hour, for 8 hours. Okay. Automatically, that is considered the previous condition type, and I am able to define the price unit. So if everything is okay, I click on apply. Okay. And the last, save document. Choose save document, make a note of the sales document number, and the order is saved and the order confirmed is printed out. So I click on create. Automatically, sales order number is generated automatically by SAP 21212. That is my sales order. So the next step, if I want to print or send by email this document to my customer, I go back. I want to print or make a preview of the sales order that I want to send to my customer. I navigate to the detail of my sales order. And then I click on display output request. Then I select the line, completed line, and then I see that the document is printed. I just have to click on the icon display document. If the communication language of your customer is the French, the German, the Italian, the Spanish, Italian, German, the document, the PDF document will be in French, German. So In my case, it's the French. That's the document that can send by XML, print, or by email to my customer. Okay, so we have finished it. It's very this in video this tutorial about how to create a sales order for services in SAP Fiori. Thank you so much.